Python is popular because it is platform independent. So if you take C programming language, C program is platform dependent because we are required to write separate program for each platform. If you take Mac, we have to write separate C program for Mac, separate C program for Windows operating system, and separate C program for Linux operating system. So we will have more development time because we have to write separate programs for each operating system. So that means we have more development time and more budget for the project, but the performance will be really high since there is no machine specific conversion unlike Java or Python using JVM or PVM. So that is, we write only once and we can run anywhere, and we call the concept as WORA, WORA, that is write once and run anywhere, and this is the concept of platform independent. So if you notice here, so there is only one program, and the PVM, the Python virtual machine, or JVM in case of Java virtual machine, is responsible to convert our Python program into machine understandable program. So we may not have better performance because of this conversion when compared with C language. So PVM is platform dependent. So we have PVM for Mac and separate PVM for Windows and PVM for Linux. So PVM, the Python virtual machine, that is platform dependent, whereas the Python program itself is platform independent. Alright, see you in the next lecture.